Hello everyone, how you guys all doing? This is the girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I want to just do a quick video. Black History Month is on the wrap, and I just want to use some colors representing my culture, my heritage, my root. And so it's going to be a quick video here, guys. And if you're into patterns and shapes and stuff, this video will, demonstrate just a little bit of pattern. I got this technique from watching Foja. I will put her handle up so you guys can see her. Do check out our channel. She's the one that inspired me to try this technique. Beautiful technique showing different patterns, how your colors really blended nice together in different shapes and stuff. All right, because once you do the pattern, the design, it's just a wonder. I really do hope you guys enjoy today's content, and if you do, give this one a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so you're notified each time I post a new video. I do hope you guys check this one out all the way to the end. You will see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so don't you go away. Thank you so much.